Hi, welcome back everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys are having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, let's get to mine. I'm kind of excited about this. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. And well, without further ado, let's get to it. So as you can see, we are in the shop right now. And we got a box here from Eel Battery. eelbattery.com. I bought these on Amazon. I never heard of the company before. I couldn't find any YouTube videos of anybody testing these batteries, so kind of took a chance and bought them. There was $699 for a 4-pack of 280 amp hour batteries. I've got them all connected together to make this a 12-volt system. We got our voltmeter here. Let's check it out. This thing's all plastic, so it's all insulated, so we're not gonna have any expensive accidents, because apparently if you short these out, they will blow up or cause serious injury or fire or something horrible to that effect. So we got 12.9 volts with them all connected together. Now this is all new to me. I've never messed with these, but I figured this was a lot cheaper than buying like a Battle-Born battery or something like that. Those things cost well over $1,000, and the ones I was looking at were only 100 amp hours. And there's some other companies too, like Tesla. You could spend a fortune buying batteries, but I don't want to spend a bunch of money while learning about these. So you guys saw in one of my other videos, I had that small 25 amp hour battery plugged into my trailer, and that's what I've been using since then to power everything when I'm in there winding down after working outside all day. It works great for the lights and running the heater, the gas furnace, and keeping the fridge on, because the fridge is propane powered. So eventually this is going to be the new battery for that, and then we're gonna make 6 more of these, I believe. So we'll have a total of 7. Maybe we'll do 8, and that should be plenty of power to power everything that's AC in the trailer, like air conditioner and television and stuff like that. Even though I don't really watch TV anyways, and I haven't for a long time. I haven't even run my gas generator in over a month now, I think. I've just been using solar, so saving a bunch of money on fuel, because that stuff's a little pricey right now for some reason. Well, anyways, here's my new project. Pretty excited about this. Got our little data sheet here with all the information, with real handwriting, so somebody actually tested these almost exactly a year ago. It's 2021, April 29th. When I tested the voltage on these, they were only 3 volts, so I'm guessing over a 1-year period that 0.3 volts went down to 0. So we're not going to actually use this for anything yet. I don't have a battery monitoring system. I know there's a lot of things that you have to do before you start using these. You got to balance them all out and all that kind of stuff, and fully charge them and make sure they're all exactly the same voltage to within a certain amount, a certain percentage. Don't quote me on that either. I'm not an expert at any of this stuff. I'm learning right now, literally as we go. So I wouldn't take any of my information as advice for anything like this. There's plenty of other experts on YouTube that you could learn the correct information from, because I'm probably going to screw up. So eventually these kind of batteries are going to replace those lead acid batteries that I use all over the place. That one there, and then I have 2 in that box right there connected together. And the plan is to replace those 2 lead acid batteries with one just like this, and that should run the aquaponics system all night long, so I don't have to turn it off at night when I go to bed, turn it back on in the morning. The way it's set up right now, it will run most of the night, but the inverter has an alarm on it that goes off, and it'll wake you up in the middle of the night with the beeping. So we're just going to eliminate that problem and start using these big boys all over the place. And yeah, I guess that'll about do it for today. I can't offer any more information on this. I am definitely an amateur tinkerer. An amateur tinkerer, that sounds about right. So if you guys have any questions or comments, pop those in down below. And as always, keep building. And try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long. A little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So God bless you all and peace. Look at my messy table.